what's going on, guys? So as I told you the other day, I pulled about $3 grand in profits, pure profits out of my Bitcoin and Litecoin account. I just carried all this heavy crap in here, and this is what I spent $823 on. Actually, that was an extra $70, so roughly $900. Since I'm getting into these cars, some of them are going to need work. It's too much of a pain in the ass to pull out my compressor and my air hose and my impacts. So I just went all out on this stuff. What I got here is this is all Harbor Freight stuff. 20 volt. They're both of these are 20 volt. They run on 4 amp hour batteries. It's a lot of current. This is the 1/2 inch cordless, 1200 foot-pounds of braking torque from the 1/2 inch. Here's the Mini-Me, the 3/8 inch, 370 foot-pounds of braking torque. Got a booster pack for those times when batteries are dead. It's also got a air compressor. It's good to have. Extra battery, definitely good to have. Got me a low-profile 3-ton rapid pump jack. And then this thing right here is an adapter you put onto the jack. You can slide these arms out and raise each side of the car like on a lift, or you can raise the entire front end at one time or the entire back end at one time. That thing is going to be a time saver and a lifesaver. Rags, obviously. Some cheap mechanics gloves. I usually don't use them, which is why I end up with cut up hands and stuff, but got them anyway. So a lot of people were like, oh, you're a fool for taking your money out of Bitcoin stuff. Hey, that's fine. You're entitled to your opinion. No problem there. But the thing is, flipping cars is making me more money than Bitcoin and Litecoin at the moment. So what I did is I pulled my money out because I'm reinvesting into myself, into my business. I have a state business license now. I have a state sales tax permit for what I'm doing here. So I'm all legit. And I took $3 grand out. I got $1 grand worth of tools, which was a necessity. I could take these things anywhere. Anywhere I go, these tools go with me. I don't have to worry about the air compressor, the hose, and all that other stuff. This is stuff I can take on the go with me. Air compressors built into that thing. So flat tires, low tires, I can handle all that on the spot. So basically I just took the money I invested into that and I reinvested it into myself, into my new business that I'm doing here. And there's enough money left over. Maybe I'll get another car tomorrow or something. We'll see. Anyway, the Chevy Cruze, I've driven that thing ever. I'm driving it like my daily driver. That car is amazing. Or not Chevy Cruze, the Chevy HHR, the flood car from Texas. That thing is spectacular. It runs and drives abso-freaking-lutely amazing. I can't believe I only paid $1,300. I'll do an update. I got to do some suspension work. Also got to do some suspension work on the Cruze, so it's a good time to get all these tools, make my life a little easier. Just want to give you guys an update with what I'm doing with my crypto money. Don't forget I still have plenty invested in Ripple, and as I flip each car, I will be taking part of the profits from the sales and reinvesting back into cryptocurrency. Hope you all have a good one. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.